Thousands of years ago, our planet was ruled by terrifying creatures that no longer exist today. These beasts were so deadly that if they still roamed the earth alongside humans, they could wipe us out within days. Some of them grew over 200 feet long and weighed thousands of kilograms, towering over even the tallest buildings we've built. As time passed, these creatures slowly vanished from existence. Today, the largest living creature on Earth is the blue whale, which can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh more than 200 tons. That's like lining up 15 full-grown elephants, or over 200 people in a row. But here's the bad news. Blue whales themselves are now on the brink of disappearing. Estimates suggest there are only 10,000 to 20,000 left in the oceans, and their numbers are dropping fast. Most of the ones alive today are already in the final years of their lives, meaning in just a few decades, they too may vanish forever. In this video, we'll look back at some of the most dangerous and fearsome animals that have gone extinct, and why their stories still fascinate us. Watch until the very end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments where in the world you're watching from. First one on our list is Megalodon. Millions of years ago, the oceans were ruled by a predator so massive and powerful that even the great white shark would look tiny beside it. This was the Megalodon, a shark that could grow over 60 feet long, with jaws powerful enough to crush a small car in one bite. Scientists believe it could swim up to 25 miles per hour and had teeth the size of a human hand. Imagine you're standing in the deep water and seeing a shadow bigger than a bus gliding toward you. There would be no escape. For millions of years, the Megalodon was the ocean's top predator, until it suddenly disappeared about 3.6 million years ago. Some experts blame climate change and the loss of prey, but others whisper about a chilling possibility. What if some are still out there, hidden deep in the unexplored parts of our oceans? Number 2. Arctodus. This beast belonged to the bear family, but it was unlike anything alive today. First identified in the late 19th century, research revealed that it roamed the earth more than 12,500 years ago before vanishing forever. These bears could grow over 11 feet tall and weigh as much as 1,200 kilograms. They hunted large prey, such as deer, camelids, and tapirs, dominating the food chain of their time. They lived across western North America during the last ice age, a period when the Earth's surface was constantly changing. Glaciers were melting, sea levels were rising, and new species were emerging. But for the giant short-faced bear, food sources were running out. Their numbers plummeted until only a few remained, and then they too disappeared from the planet. Number 3. The smilodon. Fossil discoveries revealed that this fearsome predator walked the earth around 10,000 years ago. The smilodon, often called the saber-toothed cat, could grow up to 6 feet long and weigh as much as 450 kilograms. Its enormous, curved fangs were its most deadly weapon. Research on these fossils shows that smilodon hunted large mammals such as bison, giant ground sloths, horses, and camels, taking down prey with lethal precision. Scientists believe that around 10,000 years ago, a combination of climate change and competition with other predators led to their extinction. But the truth is, we can only guess. Fossils give us clues, but what really happened to these ancient beasts remains one of history's great mysteries. Next one is 𝗧𝗴𝘀. Before humans ruled the land, the earth belonged to giants known as 𝗧𝗴𝘀. This massive, hornless relative of the rhinoceros was the largest land mammal to ever walk the planet. It stood over 16 feet tall at the shoulder, stretched nearly 30 feet from head to tail, and weighed close to 20 tons, about as much as 4 African elephants combined. 𝗧𝗴𝘀 dominated woodlands of Asia around 34 to 23 million years ago, using its long neck to reach leaves high in the trees. It had no real predators, not because it was dangerous, but because of its incredible size. Yet even this gentle giant couldn't escape extinction. Climate changes slowly reduced its food supply, and as the environment shifted, the great herds disappeared forever. Today, only its colossal fossils remain. The last on our list is Titanoboa. Just when you thought snakes couldn't get any bigger, imagine one the length of a school bus and thicker than a grown man's body. This was Titanoboa, the largest snake to ever lived on Earth. Growing up to 42 feet long and weighing over a ton, it ruled the swamps of South America around 60 million years ago. And with so many dark swamps and wild jungles still not explored, can we really be sure Titanoboa is gone? Or could it still be hiding out there, waiting in the shadows for its next victim? Let us know in the comments what you guys think about these creatures.